All right, this video is going to help you export to PDF so you can send your sheets to the Tech Center for printing on campus or to Staples. You should have your A1 first floor plan, A2 your reflected ceiling plan, and A3 your furniture plan. So these are all the three that you're going to need. The rest of these are kind of extras that Revit has set up for you already. So you're going to go up to File, and then you're going to pick Export, and then PDF. And then for this window here, I'll work you through a couple things. You want to have it here on current window. Here under selected view sheets, we're going to check that also. Actually, we're going to check that instead of current window, sorry. And then you're going to click the pencil here. And then you're going to go down, and it's a big long list. It's basically everything that's in your project. So you're going to need to scroll all the way down to where you get to the sheets, and you're going to check the first floor. And it's labeled like in one order. So all the 10s, 11, 12s kind of come first. Then you're going to have A2 and A3. So that's the three that you want here. Then you're going to check here on your page size. So you're going to go here first. For that, you're going to have Arch D 24 by 36. We don't want to fit it to page. We want it to zoom, meaning be 100% what it's printing out. You also want to center this. And the other thing is we don't want to combine these all in one PDF because you want to have 3 separate PDFs because when you upload them for me for grading, I don't want to be scrolling through like 3 pages. I want to have them one by one. So you're going to uncheck that box there. Then everything should be set. But first, before we save this, you want to decide where you're going to put these files. Don't just dump them right here in documents. Please put them in like a folder where you can find it. So in my case, I'm going to put it in, I have a folder for this class. So it's right here. I'm going to just save it here and just say open. It's going to kind of default to give it the same name that is the name over here, but we'll sort of change that in a minute. So you're going to say export. You can say yes to save these for future settings. So I'm just going to say this. Oh, you can change the name too to make it like Arch D, so you know what paper size that is. Oh, so I'll kind of fix my all caps here. Arch D. Okay, there we go. Say okay to that. Say export, and then I'll show you kind of what they look like in a minute in your folder. And it goes rather quickly, which is nice. So we're going to go over here to the folder, open that up. So here they are in my folder, all 3 of them. And again, their names reflect kind of what their names are over here in Project Manager. So I just ask that you rename them and instead put your last name at the beginning of this sheet name. So I'm just going to say like Conway, like the ceiling plan, then Conway first floor, and vice versa. Then these are the 3 that will be either uploaded to the Tech Center. And again, reminder to tell them paper size is Arch D 24 by 36, and that you want it on transbond paper. That's the less expensive blueprint paper. For Staples, you'll just upload these kind of going through their online system. And again, make sure you're picking Arch D. And when you want to, again, tell them not to scale it, meaning don't shrink it, keep it at the size we want it. And then you should be all set. So again, this is kind of a nice, a newer addition to Revit in the past year or so that like just makes exporting and plotting a lot easier for us on our end with PDFs. So that's what you are going to be, again, sending to the printer. Got to send it by Monday if you're using the Tech Center. And you're going to be handing me the physical copies on Thursday and also uploading these to our Google Drives. And I'll give you all the location for that in class. Thank you.